Coach Kaypoy, timeline Kaypoy.
Yeah, si Poy was big. I mean, Junmar had 33 points because we had nobody to match up aside from Kelly. So that was really very big for us. We don't know. We'll find out again tomorrow. Junmar, if he has if he can come back to play.
Much magandang hugot mo naman, Almond Vosotros came in, almost brought back TNT. Coach, can you just talk about Almond's performance?
Well, that's why he's there. He's backup in case we need offense off the bench.
Coach, can you explain what happened with Jericho?
I was just clapping. I don't know what he was upset about. When they called, I knew it was going to be a technical, so I was clapping. And then sabi niya, why? What did I do? Sabi ko, I'm just clapping. What am I doing? And hindi ko siya kinausap, wala akong sinabi sa kanya. I just clapped. Kasi technical eh. So I knew we would get a technical. Kala niya yata sa kanya ako nakatulong. Siyempre, nakatingin ako sa kanya. Palakpak ako. Sabi niya, what did I do? Sabi ko, what am I doing? I'm not doing anything.
Coach, going back to Poy, kumusta ba yung lagay niya? Can he walk ba? Kasi naka-wheelchair
Nakita mo, he's in an air cast. So, it's a high ankle sprain. It's a severe sprain. So, we don't know if he can get it back.
Coach, medyo dami nyo ng injuries. How do you plan to manage all those?
Yeah, we just take it as it is. We have to find a way. We just told our players just to keep fighting. It was too much to ask for us to win against a super powerful team like San Miguel. Kung kumpleto kami, ngayon pang kulang-kulang. But you know, we're gonna keep fighting. We'll see what happens.
Coach, yung turnovers ninyo, still marami-rami pa rin.
Yeah, well, we don't have our top 2 point guards. So that's a direct reflection of that. In fact, we lost our 3-point guards because in the conference tournaments, Ronde was playing point. So we've lost our top 3-point guards. We're forcing guys, we're forcing Heading to play the point, which is not his natural position. And buti nga may Almond. Simon Enciso is really just a backup player. And Brian Haruela is just a defensive player. So we're just making do. Sana kung nandyan si Jason at si Ray, baka maybe we wouldn't be turning the ball over.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, Coach. Salamat po. Ingat po.